Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix two few settings in BIOS on DELL 7320 Detachable. Once you're in BIOS, which if you don't know how to enter, there is a video on our channel on how to enter BIOS on DELL 7320 Detachable. You may have found that there is not enough settings here, and some of them are disabled, for example performance, and if you want to enable them back again, find advanced setup right here and just turn it on, and you can see that all of the settings are now enabled, so you can, for example, open performance. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.